It's Nave Shapes and I'm back with another industry haircut analysis. This time I'm reviewing Cam's haircut and I'm going to teach you what Cam is doing to create this curly, bleached, textured haircut. So Cam starts with a very simple sectioning pattern, pretty much just a radial section at this point from the crown area down into the mastoid bone behind the ear. Then what Cam does is he starts his haircut at the mastoid and works down diagonal section into the nape and the back of the head, following the head shape around, which indicates that he's creating a round shape horizontally. Something detailed to notice is that you can see the bits of hair here, they're being pulled below their base, which means he's creating a graduation. That's going to create a buildup of weight. So we know he's definitely creating a graduated shape. So now instantly we can already assess that Cam's creating a round shape horizontally while building weight vertically. So we can diagnose this back section immediately as a round graduation. Here's where we can see a lot more of the section being pulled below its base. So each of this coming down to this cutting line and the cutting line still going diagonal into the back. But you'll notice now we can actually see more of this hair in this section. That's because the hair is getting longer. As Cam has pulled each section below its base on every single section, the hair is gradually getting longer vertically. So we're definitely sure that he's creating a graduated shape now. And by the way, if you want access to Cam's head sheets that I'm creating here and all the other head sheets that I've created on other creators, you can go to the link in the description, join my free community and access all the head sheets that I've created for you in there. Now here's something that if you're not quick, you will miss it. So Cam's original section came down to like here before. This was radial to about mastoid, but now Cam takes a quick section just behind that. Now, why would he do this? Well, what he wants is he wants a guide for cutting this side panel. And the best place where he's going to get a guide from is the hair that he's just cut, which is all this. So he takes a vertical section down from the back section and he grooms it all over into the side panel, ready to use this as a guide. And if you look closely, in Cam's fingers, there's a guide inside his fingers. And Cam's cutting line is now going from front to back to connect to this guide. And we can still see this hair is being pulled down below its base. So we know Cam is still creating a graduated shape here. And he continues to take these sections into the back, pulling sections down below the base, still using this guide from the back and pulling them into this side panel to use as a length reference. Now in terms of shape, the cutting line could be shorter at the front, longer at the back, so it could create something that resembles something more of a triangular shape. But I'd still call this a round graduation because from the back into the side, there's no corner and no buildup of weight anywhere. So it's continuous. The round graduation into the back, it can still get shorter to the front and it still creates what I would call a round graduated shape. Next up, what Cam does, he takes a center vertical section right down the middle of the client's head and creates his first cutting line. Now realistically, his client's hairline, his client's fringe is probably going to live somewhere around about here. Don't forget, Cam's adding quite a lot of tension to this section here. So what we're going to see is we're going to see the hair will rebound a little bit. And not only that, the client's hair texture is also curly as well. So we're going to see some of the hair bouncing back. So the fringe is probably going to live somewhere more like this. Next up, Cam moves into the top and begins his cutting line from the highest point of the head at the back, projecting each section up, and we're going to see him follow the head shape down towards the front. Why might he do this? Well, if you think about it, he's elevating the hair higher, so he's going to create a layer here, removing a ton of internal weight. It's going to give the hair lots of room to move, lots of room to breathe, and it's really going to enhance the curl texture of this client's hair. It's here where we see Cam following the head shape down towards the front. After that, what Cam does, it's quite hard to see, but Cam grooms all the hair from the center down to the side. What we have here is some short hair here in Cam's fingers, and the cutting line is actually going round again. So he's creating a round layer on top, removing a ton of weight. Because of his finger angle, I can only assume that he's going to end up creating this kind of cutting line horizontally. And because he followed the head shape vertically down here, and now he's following the head shape horizontally this way, I'm going to strongly assume he's creating a pure round layer in this top section. And then to finish it off, Cam does a really nice soft taper to bring the whole haircut together. And this is what leaves us with a really nice, curly, bleached, textured haircut. Thank you for watching. If you want to get the head sheets to Cam's haircut and all the other head sheets from the other creators that I've done, go to the link in the description, join the free community and get them there. Shout out to Cam for this haircut. It's really nice, really clean and really enjoyable to watch and break down. Hopefully you took something from it, and I'll see you in the next one.